Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how you can watch One Piece for free. Well, this is very simple actually. If you don't know this page, you have to write on your browser funimation.com, and then you will be able to see that you will be brought to Crunchyroll. So here in Crunchyroll you create account and you will be able to watch One Piece without any problem for free. And also, if you don't want to get harassed by ads, you have to download an ad blocker. For example, I have uBlock Origin. So I will come here to One Piece and then I'm going to click here, and you will see that you have a lot of options. You have subtitles, you have dub, etc. So you have to log in the website, and you don't even have to start the free trial or pay anything. You will be able to watch One Piece and more animes, as you can see, Nier Automata, Backflip, also Tower of God, etc. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, press the bell and the subscription button, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.